Ever wondered how you could concatenate strings in Java without creating a new object each time? Well, you're not alone. The Java programming language has a built-in solution for this very issue. Meet StringBuilder, a mutable sequence of characters designed for use in cases where string concatenation would otherwise be too costly. In Java, when we concatenate strings using the plus operator, a new string object is created each time. This can lead to performance issues, especially when dealing with large amounts of data. That's where StringBuilder swoops in to save the day. It allows us to manipulate and build strings without creating a new object for each concatenation. StringBuilder is not only efficient, but also flexible. It offers several methods to manipulate strings, such as append, insert, replace, and delete. So if you've been pulling your hair out over string concatenation in Java, StringBuilder might just be your savior. Now, we're going to dive into the nitty-gritty of using StringBuilder in Java. To kick things off, let's first understand how to create a StringBuilder object. It's quite simple. You just need to use the new keyword followed by StringBuilder. So, it goes something like this. StringBuilder SB = new StringBuilder. And voila, you have a new StringBuilder object ready to be used. Next up, let's talk about appending strings to the StringBuilder object. For this purpose, we use the append method. Here's an example. SB append hello, SB append world. These couple of lines will append the strings hello and world to our StringBuilder object. But what if you want to convert your StringBuilder back to a regular string? Well, it's as easy as pie. You simply use the toString method, like this, string_str = SB toString. And there we go. Your StringBuilder is now a regular string. Now, StringBuilder is not all about creating objects and appending strings. It's much more versatile. It also allows you to insert, delete, and replace strings within the StringBuilder object. To insert a string, you use the insert method. It takes two parameters, the index at which you want to insert and the string you want to insert. For instance, SB insert 6 beautiful will insert the string beautiful at index 6. Deleting a string is just as straightforward. The delete method comes in handy here. It requires the start and end indices of the substring you want to delete. For example, SB delete 05 will remove the first 5 characters from the StringBuilder. Lastly, the replace method allows you to replace a substring within the StringBuilder. You provide the start and end indices of the substring to replace and the new string. Like this, SB replace 05 high. And there you have it. That's how you use StringBuilder in Java. Not too difficult, right? Let's take a moment to summarize everything we've learned about StringBuilder in Java. We've gone through a lot of information, so let's break it down into key points. Firstly, we've learned that StringBuilder is a mutable sequence of characters, meaning it can be altered after it's created. This differs from a regular string in Java, which is immutable and cannot be changed once it's been created. Here's why this is important. When you concatenate strings using the plus operator or the concat method, a new string object is created in the memory every time, which can lead to inefficiency. This is where StringBuilder comes in handy. Instead of creating a new string object, StringBuilder allows you to modify the existing one, making it a more memory-efficient way to concatenate strings. We've also learned how to use the StringBuilder class. To create a StringBuilder object, you simply use the new keyword, followed by StringBuilder, and you can add a string to it using the append method. To convert a StringBuilder object back to a string, you use the toString method. It's as easy as that. Remember, StringBuilder is not synchronized, which means it's faster, but not thread-safe. If you're working in a multi-threaded environment, you might want to use StringBuffer instead, which is similar to StringBuilder, but is thread-safe. We've also discussed the other useful methods provided by StringBuilder, such as insert, delete, reverse, and replace. These methods offer more flexibility when manipulating strings, making StringBuilder a powerful tool in your Java toolkit. And finally, we've highlighted the benefits of using StringBuilder over regular string concatenation. Not only is it more memory efficient, but it also provides a cleaner, more readable code. It's an excellent tool that can help you write better, more efficient Java code. So the next time you need to concatenate strings in Java, remember, StringBuilder is your friend. It's efficient, it's easy to use, and it's going to save you a lot of headaches. Thanks for watching.